Everybody, and welcome to this brand new module. In this module, we are going to be focusing towards creating the UI for the registration page of our application. Our focus is going to be implementing all of the UI components that compose together to create our registration page. And once we're done with this module, then we're in the next subsequent module, we'll actually work towards implementing the business logic for the page that we had just created. So all in all, the registration page is going to allow users to create accounts within our application without having the need to actually go like we did in the previous videos of manually going to Firebase and then registering an account there. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll begin the process of actually creating our registration page. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.